5 gramos, 5 gramos, 1870. A queen, 1870, 154 years old queen. So this is very old, 154 years old queen in 1870. 2024 minus 1870, that is 154 years old queen. 5 gramos, 5 gramos, 1870. At the back of this is 200 pisas en kilo. 5 centimos, 5 centimos, 5 centimos. So this is the back. 200 pisas en kilo, 5 centimos. The front of this is a king or a man sitting on his throne, holding his weapon. 5 gramos, 1870, 5 gramos, 1870. So this is a king sitting his throne, holding his weapon. 1870, a very old queen. The queen is original, minted in 1870 by Spanish government. It's old, rare, unique, costly, an expensive queen in the history of the Philippines during Spanish colony in the Philippines. 154 years old queen is still existing. So this is your chance to own this. This queen is for sale. If you want to buy this queen, comment your buying price on the comment section. The highest bid price is the buyer of this queen. So this is 200 pisas en kilo, 5 centimos. In the front, 5 gramos, 1870. And the back is 200 pisas en kilo, 5 centimos. The front is 5 gramos, 1870, 154 years old queen. This is original queen. 1870, original queen in the history of Spanish colony in the Philippines. So this is your chance to buy this 1870 queen.